y'all, it's allofdestiny. So I'm finally doing the blue shower routine. So I'll only be reaching for products that have blue packaging or the products are blue in color. I recently ordered the Dial soap from Amazon. This is the classic bar, antibacterial. It's gonna get the job done. It does what a soap bar needs to do. So for starters, I'm going to take my Noxzema Ultimate Clear. This is a daily deep pore cleanser. Basically, I just use this to wash my face. I've been using Noxzema since like 2009, and it honestly just hasn't failed me yet. Growing up, I always saw my dad using this cleanser when he would do his skincare routine. And the way that it leaves your skin feeling, it's like that clean but not stripped feeling of a cleanser. And I absolutely love that. I haven't done a mask in a while. I feel like I haven't done a mask probably in like a month and a half. I know I haven't done one since moving, and I moved like back in August. So yeah, but today I'm going to be using the Teami Beauty Mask. It's a restorative clay mask. I really like this one a lot. It was sent to me by Teami occasionally when I do collaborations with them, but even when I'm not working with them, I definitely love to use this mask. And I really just wanted to kind of like treat myself, play some good music, zone out, and have a nice shower, because honestly I feel like I've just really been like on the go, like really on the go since moving. And so I just wanted to take some me time today. Also, let's just be clear, because I know I'm giving Smurfette vibes, but Smurfette could never, period. I always motivate and encourage you all to make sure that you're making time for yourselves and setting aside time for yourself, and to know that self-care is not selfish. And I just was like, Destiny, you haven't like treated yourself in a good minute, sis. So today was that day, and I also just decided to document. I had recently already kind of removed the hair off of my legs a little bit. So I was like, ooh, let me use this Nair and kind of like get the hair off of my arms instead. So this is the Nair Sensitive Formula. It's a shower power. This one is the coconut oil one. And I'm basically just going to put that on my arms. Don't exceed 10 minutes, baby. Apply it, but don't rub it in. It's not lotion. I have too much time on my hands to browse Amazon. I found these shower steamers. I'm going to go ahead and reach for the blue one. This one is the Fresh shower steamer. You can turn your shower into a relaxing aroma experience, baby, with these little steamers, right? So you just take it, sit it on the shower floor, and then you turn the water on while you're showering. It's just going to release such a nice aroma. What she say on baby boy? Yeah, aromatherapy. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and get this Nair off. I'm just going to use a damp washcloth to do that. And yes, my towel is white. I use white towels. I don't have a blue one, but you get the point. You know how you go in the store and you're supposed to go just for what you're looking for? I'm not that person. I would never be that person. So I got lost on the beauty aisle, girl, and I found this new Venus razor, right? So this one is for pubic hair, and it's a skin razor as well. It's designed for tricky areas, baby. And when I say this razor is amazing, you need this. They also have the matching like 2-in-1 cleanser and shave gel. The packaging not blue, but baby, let me tell you, I'm gonna link it down below because you need it. It works very well. So you can definitely use the Nair to remove any unwanted hair, but I just decided to go ahead and shave it off just because I had recently already removed the hair. It wasn't really that much to use the Nair. So now I'm going to go ahead and follow up with my Aveeno body wash. I like this one because, again, it's a body wash that really cleanses the skin, but it doesn't strip the skin at all. And you want to use this all over. Make sure you like really like scrubbing up under your underarms. I'm not giving y'all details on how to shower, and I really should, but I'm gonna save that for a hygiene video instead. But make sure you like scrubbing to get off the excess deodorant, baby, you know, so you can smell oh so luscious. So I'm definitely one to read my YouTube comments occasionally. No, I'm kidding. But I noticed that a lot of you all were recommending for me to try out the Honey Pot foaming wash. It's like a feminine wash for your feminine area, external use only, obviously. I tried it out for about 2 weeks. This was like months ago, so really I just occasionally reach for it to finish it since I did purchase it, but I'm not like the biggest fan of it. Taking the Dove exfoliating body polish. This one is the crushed macadamia and rice milk one. It's a moderate scrub, so it's not like super scrubby, but as far as removing dead skin, it definitely gets the job done. So I'm going to massage this onto wet skin, and then I'll rinse clean. You can enjoy this product maybe about 3 to 4 times a week.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do.
So this will be a first impression of mine. This is the Nivea body lotion. It's the skin firming one. I actually ordered this from Amazon. I was like, oh, let me give this a try. When I see things that aim at like nourishing the skin, assisting the skin and being more supple, more plump, more firm, hydrated, moisturized. Shall I keep going? No? Okay. But yeah, when I see products that have any type of label like that on it, I kind of gravitate towards them. I like to finish the entire bottle and give it a try. So first impression using this, my skin feels amazing. This lotion has left my skin feeling very soft, very moisturized, but it's not greasy at all. But if you look at my legs, you can see that glow, baby. I know you see. And lately I've been really loving the Kapari deodorant, even outside of doing like this blue video, just because it is hydrating and it has coconut oil. So I feel like I'm not just like neglecting my armpits, you know? I actually like to put my toners in these little pumps that I get from Dollar Tree, but it does work for this blue routine. This is the Neutrogena Pore Refining Toner. It's my second step in my skincare routine, usually when I skip the face mask, and I absolutely love it. And for my moisturizer today, I'll be using the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. This is just a facial moisturizer, and it does have rich hydration. I haven't reached for this one in a while just because I kind of been gravitating towards moisturizers that have SPF in them, but this will forever be one of my favorites. Y'all put me onto this during a time when my skin was kind of tripping on me one winter, like a few years back, and I just like fell in love with it ever since. So my favorite toothpaste of choice isn't blue, so I'm going to reach for this little travel one that I was able to find in my stash. And I recently switched my toothbrushes. I'll link it down below for you all. I'll be using the Equate mouthwash and then my new Oral-B toothbrush. Girl. So I only have 2 blue perfumes that I can choose from, and this is I have the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. This one is one of Naturally Sunny's favorites. I saw her talking about it on her Instagram, so when I shopped the VIB sale, you know how they're like, oh, you can pick some free items? That was one of the little free ones that I got. Absolutely love that one. And then I also have the Tiffany For Her perfume, which is the one that I'll be applying today, just because later on when I do get ready to leave, I have the matching lotion, so it's going to make the fragrance really last a long time on me, which does count for the video because it's blue packaging on the inside of the bottle. I don't do this every single time I shower, but these are the blue products that I have in my stash that I occasionally reach for. So guys, that is pretty much it for my shower morning routine. I just kind of like cooked some breakfast and I've been sitting down working on this video to go ahead and get it out for you all. It's currently like 3:33, so I'm about to preview it and export it and upload it.
Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try.
PJs that I'm wearing down below. I know it's like morning and I've showered up and I still put PJs on, but I'm not going anywhere currently. So I'm actually just gonna lounge, edit this video real quick for you all, and then I'll see what the rest of my day consists of. So definitely stay tuned for that. It'll be separate vlog footage in the moving series. So yeah, I will link all the products that I used in my description box down below for you all. I'll make like a blue series category and just put that on my Amazon storefront. And I just completely forgot. I'm gonna link this as well if you all want to try it out. I forgot to use it, forgot to open it. Like, I'm like, how did I have my whole shower and I forgot? But it has this little thing right here where you can actually hang it, I guess kind of grip in the back basically, and then you can put your product on it. So I'll use it in the upcoming video. Give this one a thumbs up, that way I will know that you all enjoyed this one. I've done purple and I've done pink, so I'll have those on the end cards at the end. of this video for you all to check it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, another thing I got too, let me know if y'all have tried these before, the honey pot balancing bath bombs. So yeah, since I kind of just did shower, didn't get to use these either. But I'm gonna go now because I'm talking too much. I want to kind of keep this video short, the way I can edit and upload it in the same day. And yeah, I will talk to you all in my next upload. I don't know how many times I already said that. Also, the PJs that I'm wearing, I will link them down below for you all. I don't have a blue robe. They're real cute, girl, so I'm gonna link them down below if you like a little lace action, you know. Check them out if you like to, you know, walk around being cute, lounging clothes or your PJs. Definitely check it out. I actually am making a pajama section on my Amazon storefront as well. So yeah, I'll link it for you all. Okay, I gotta go now because I gotta edit. Bye.